Dear students, good morning. We are reading mathematics and today's our topic is place value and face value. First of all, we talk about place value. What is place value? Definition of place value. The value of a digit on its place in a number is called its place value. It means digit में नंबर का जो प्लेस होता है उसी से उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू डिसाइड होती है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टॉक अबाउट प्लेस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास है प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. इससे किसी भी डिजिट की में जो भी नंबर होता है उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हो जाती है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वंस, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड lakh. इस चार्ट में हम किसी भी डिजिट को सेट करके उसका प्लेस और प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारी डिजिट है 2,65,935. Now we will find out place of each number. Place of 5, place of 3, place of 9, place of 5, place of 6 and place of 2. Let's start. Place of 5 is ones. Place of 3 is tens. Place of 9 is 100. Place of 5 is 1000. Place of 6 is 10,000. Place of 2 is lakhs. Now we got places of each number. After this, we will find the place value of each number. Our digit is 5,39,562. Place of 2 is ones. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Place value of 2 is 2. Place of 6 is tens, so we multiply 6 by 10 is equal to 60. Place value of 6 is 60. Next 5. Place of 5 is 100, so 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. Next 9. 9 place is 1000, so 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9,000. So place value of 9 is 9,000. Next 3. Place of 3 is 10,000, so 3 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 30,000. Place value of 3 is 30,000. Next 5. 5 place is lakh, so 5 multiplied by 1 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. So we got place value of each number. Now we will solve next example. Our digit is 7456. Its place is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6. Place of 6 is ones. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Place of 5 is tens. So 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. 4. Place of 4 is 100. So 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. Next 7. Place of 7 is 1000. So 7 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 7000. So for place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 5 is 50. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 7 is 7000. Now you have learned about place value and we talk about face value. Face value. What is face value? Definition of face value. Face value of a digit in a number is the actual value of a digit. It means किसी भी डिजिट में नंबर की जो एक्चुअल वैल्यू होती है, जो रियल वैल्यू होती है, वही उसकी फेस वैल्यू होती है. We can understand it by some examples. 5675 और हमें सबकी फेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. फेस वैल्यू of 5 is 5. Face value of 7 is 7. जो एक्चुअल वैल्यू 5 की एक्चुअल वैल्यू क्या है 5, तो उसकी फेस वैल्यू भी क्या होगी 5. 7 की एक्चुअल वैल्यू है 7 और फेस वैल्यू भी क्या होगी 7. फेस वैल्यू of 6 is 6. Face value of 5 is 5. We can solve it by another example. Our digit is 7,46,527 is our digit. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 7 is 7. We got face value of each number and I hope you have learned about face value and place value. Today's our topic has completed and I will meet you soon with next video. Thanks.